Sanmati Engineering College Washim, Maharashtra, where innovation meets excellence and learning knows no bounds.
Our sole objective is empowering the next generation with knowledge, skill, and opportunities.
Our campus is equipped with state-of-the-art infrastructure designed to inspire creativity, foster innovation, and facilitate hands-on learning. Our college offers undergraduate 4 years Bachelor of Engineering course in disciplines like computer science and engineering, artificial intelligence and data science, civil engineering, electrical engineering and mechanical engineering, and also post-graduation, that is Master of Engineering in Computer Science and Information Technology and Structural Engineering.
At Sanmati, we are early adapters of technology, Google Classroom to ERP to custom GPTs for our students, which helps them to have an advanced cutting-edge knowledge before they pass out.
Sanmati Engineering College is well approved by AICTE, New Delhi, Directors of Technical Education, Government of Maharashtra.
Our state-of-art infrastructure and experienced faculties ensure holistic development and academic excellence.
Sanmati Engineering College was its affiliation from Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, Amravati, and is well accredited by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council for a term of 5 years for excellent quality technical education.
Engineering and technology is future. Come, join the journey of success and knowledge at Sanmati Engineering College Washim.
Library plays a crucial role in supporting the academic endeavors of our students and faculty. We provide access to a vast collection of resources, both in print and digital formats, to facilitate research and learning across all disciplines.
Through mentorship programs, counseling services, and student-led initiatives.
A training and placements office guiding students towards fulfilling careers and promising futures.
Thanks Mega Job Fair. I am very happy to be placed. The interdisciplinary approach and project-based learning helps us to explore the vast potential of artificial intelligence and data science.
Join us at Sanmati Engineering College, where every corner is a classroom and every experience is an opportunity to excel. Sanmati Engineering College Washim, where knowledge and technology shapes futures.
I assure your bright career and future in our campus.